Go ahead,
First
Anand.
question was regarding your process of teaching, where you said our processes are not explore. You're not supposed to explore them. Somebody already knows it. It's already well defined, and the teacher is not supposed to go exploring with you. But in today's day and age, especially in San Francisco, they have these schools for kids where kids have to go exploring and the teacher doesn't know the whole subject. The right example would be 10 and 12-year-olds found a solution to a problem that said they had to construct a hovercraft. Now, obviously, no school knows that and no teacher knows that. Oh, okay. So how does one decide as a parent which is the right direction to put their child in? Is that like a good school or that's not like a good school? Until right now, I thought that's a great thing to do where everyone finds out new things that are coming up. But right now, talking to you, it feels like maybe that's not the right way to go about it.
Good question.
My problem right now.
Good question. Okay. So, in case you have not heard the question properly, the question is, I said that the study of the teaching of Vedanta cannot be exploratory. And so the question is, oh, then, many of these classes that we conduct for children, and we don't know the answers, and everybody is exploring. And so, is that a wrong process to teach children, or what? Are we going in the wrong direction? That is the question. Good. So, I'm glad you're exploring. So here's the thing. There is a particular fact to be unfolded. There is a particular fact. Go back to the example I gave. 2 plus 3, algebra is there, addition is there. Okay? Now, the teacher should already know algebra very well. Correct? The teacher cannot sit along with the student and then let's explore together. Let's explore. Let's explore. And I don't know what it is. I also need to learn. What I was saying is, in such circumstances where some facts are understood which are being unfolded, there is really, the teacher cannot explore. And exploration, I use the word exploration to imply, let us try this, then let us try that. Maybe this is right, maybe that is right. Let us keep on trying until we stumble upon the right answer. That I was referring to. But having understood everything, so let's make a hovercraft. When you say, let's make a hovercraft, it's a project given to children. And the purpose of the project is not entirely to learn how to make a hovercraft. It is to say, okay, I've taught you so much now. And you know how to, you know English, you know some physics, you know how to put things together. Let's put things together. We have seen these flying objects. Let's make a flying object. And the teacher need not know. Teacher need not know because the course is not on making a hovercraft. Now, if we all attended a workshop to make drones, how to make drones, and it's a 3-day workshop, you and I are paying $10,000 for this workshop. If the teacher keeps on exploring with us until the 3rd day, what will you feel? Huh? What will you feel? Exploration. Wait a minute, do you know how to make the drone or not? You ask your instructor. No, it's all an exploratory workshop. Did you think we were actually... You will get furious. So, context. We need to look at the context. And the context here is children, love. We need to engage the children. And exploration is a great way of engaging children. And you give them all these projects. And the student's life is not going to be significantly altered if he makes a hovercraft are significantly damaged if he or she does not make a hovercraft. So the end game is not critical. The teacher is not going to look at the hovercraft and say, it's not that kind of a course there. It's not a course on making hovercrafts. It's a attempt to engage the child's mind, and is the child using all the tools that the child has. So that is the main purpose. And yeah, sure, you want to make a working hovercraft, and this way or that way, it doesn't matter. But when you're teaching a fact that is already there, and there you can't say you're okay this way. 2.2 plus 3 is 4.9. Okay, not bad, beta. Yeah, you did a good job. 2 plus 3 is 5.1. Are shabash. Are you're coming close. So good. 5.1, 5. It's all okay. It's all chalega. In India we have this chalega attitude. Chalega. So just so you don't misunderstand me, and exploration has its role very much, and we decide where to explore, where we need not explore, when I say explore, I mean where a fact is to be unfolded, there is the teacher should not say, let's all look up Google now, guys, and Bhagavad Gita, go to iit.ac.k.in, and then they've developed a wonderful website. Let us now look at something. Let us together understand. And I want some Sanskrit experts in the class to also speak up, and so we can all learn Sanskrit also together. This kind of approach will not work. It may sound exciting. Some teachers like to make their classes a bit exciting. And so they bring in PowerPoints, and they bring in video, and they bring in, I do that, by the way. I do all that with my classes that I give to college students and other children. I do that. And other day I showed them a video of something. I was talking about drugs and alcohol and things like that, which they're all exposed to in colleges. So I showed them a video, beautifully made video about what alcohol does to the human body. Fantastic. It was made in Australia. Nice video. So I played the video, and then we discussed. So there is a place for all that. And so you're doing a wonderful job in San Francisco, Ami. I appreciate that. Continue doing that.
Guruji, I'm actually in Singapore. But I have to go and move there with my daughter. That's why my flight.
Okay. Good.
Thank you so much.
Sure. I hope that helps.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
Guruji, I had another question, though I am running late and I do have another class. I will post it later. But my question is going to be on the example of Siddha Vishaya, where you said the example about glasses. A person is going to look for glasses, but he already has them. I didn't quite understand that, but I will get back to you on that a little later. I really apologize. I do have another commitment starting 10:30.
That's fine.
Yes. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Any other questions?
Oh, sorry. I don't know if you heard my question. I was talking on mute. I said I had one question.
I heard everything. We heard everything. I muted you. After you said goodbye, I muted you.
Oh, thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. All right. Good. So there are no other questions. Then we will meet again Monday next week. If everything, if Ishvara wants us to meet, I'm sure we'll meet on Monday.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Thank you, Jai Kumarji.